Hi, my name is Alex and today I will do the presentation of my fridge. On the top shelf, I got some pasta and yogurt. On the middle shelf, we will see some milk and some eggs. On the bottom shelf, I got some oranges, pineapple, and some toppers. On the very bottom shelf, I got some cheese, bacon, jam, Fanta, alcohol, some potatoes, and an onion. In the bottom drawer, I got some vegetables like tomatoes, carrots, and more. On the top shelf, we will see some mayonnaise, salsa spinale, butter, and marmalade. On the bottom shelf, we will see some jars, milk, Coke, and milk. And this is my fridge. I hope you like it.